So everyone is able to see the screen now?
No,
Hello?
Samir. No, Samir, we are not able to see your screen.
Just a minute. Okay, so now this is the screen. You are able to see this.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, we are able to see.
Now let's go ahead. See here. This is the specifications. So these are the specifications. So based on the specifications, we'll move further. So I'm creating the source and the target. So first of all, directly I'm creating the source. The source is what? Azure SQL database. So use the Azure SQL and click on the create tab. Now select the resource group here. Just mention the name. So I'm creating, as you know that we can create a resource group directly at the time of creating the source also. So I'm using incremental RG and now provide the name here. So I'm using the name of the database that is called as a source DB, and I want to host this on a server. So click on the server. So use the server here as Durga admin. So use the authentication method and provide it Durga admin, and the password. Repeat the password.
Submit server name. It's all.
Okay, let's give it not accepting now. Durga soft server. Okay, now it's accepted. Okay, guys. So click on this. Okay, and next one. What is already have it? Select the pricing tag. The next step is the select the pricing tag. So for that, click on the configure, and now select the configure database. And select it here. DTU based purchasing model and basic less demanding workloads. Click on the apply and click on the next networking tab. Allow the public endpoint and firewall settings. Just allow it. Review and create it. That's creating. Okay guys, so it's creating. So for that, just click on the refresh. So meanwhile, what I will do is I will create the further process. So just go here, and anyways, the target I want to create on the same server. So let the database create first, then we can create the target. So I'll create the data factory here. So for that, click on this one. We have it. And now click on this data factory, and click on the create tab, and select the resource group as it is incremental RG. So use it here, instance Durga soft incremental. Guys, I'm using incremental. So click on the review, and now further click on the create. So the database is still preparing. So I'll make it refresh to make the process a bit faster. So it's ready. So click on this, all of you. Yes, guys, are you there?
Yeah, Samir.
So go to resource. The data factory is ready here. See, guys, the database is ready. Can you see it? The database is ready here. Just a minute. It has slowed down now. It automatically comes. The source is ready, guys. So leave it as it is, and now click on the another tab and open this. I'm creating a open the Azure SQL database. I wanted to create the same on the that is nothing but I wanted to create on the same server. So just click on this existing database source DB. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. It's hanging. Okay, so this is ready. So anyways, go to the source database. Okay, so now here do one thing. We will create one more database. So for that, click on the overview. That is the target database I want to create it. Click on the overview. And now click on the server name. Now click on the create new database. And now select the database name. So I'm giving the database name as target DB. That's it. And now select the pricing tier. Select the pricing tier. Select this one. That's demanding workloads. Click on the apply. And now click on the networking tab. Allow the firewall settings. And things just check once more. Click on the basic. The database name is given. Server name is already given. Pricing tier is also given. That's it. Three things are done. So now click on the review and again click on the create. So guys, this is the source is ready and the target I'm just preparing it right now. And my that is the data factory is also ready. I'm just launching this. Just starting up the data factory. So click on the expand tab. And now guys, create the link services. Tell me now, how many link services do we require it here?
Two links.
Hello?
Two
Yes,
links.
two link services. One for the source and one for the target. So that should click on this. So I want the link services. The link services for the SQL, first of all, that is my source. So select the Azure SQL database and now give the name here ls underscore sql db underscore source. Now select it here. Select the server and select the database and now give the name. So I'm just giving the username Durga admin and the password I'm using it here as a Samir. So test the connections now. Now click on the create tab. That means the first link service is ready, guys. Okay. Click on the second link service. All of you. So click on the new link service. So guys, click on the new link service and now use it here SQL and now use it Azure SQL and now use the name ls underscore SQL db underscore sync. That should guys select the same source, server name, database name. We'll give here Durga admin. Password Samir. That should okay. Click on the test connections and click on the create. Now guys, the target database is here. So just log into this. So for that, what is it you have to do?
Query editor.
The target database is created or not?
Target create.
Already created. So just click on the query editor, give the password and try to log in here. The target database is ready with empty, with no tables. And now the source, see here, and the source is here. So do one thing now. Go to this query editor and log into the database. Now guys, that's it now. That's it guys. The source is ready, target is ready, and data factory is also ready with the two link services. Now I'll start beginning the source here. So we require to have some script on this. So let's try to use this already the script what we have it. So I'm just using the script existing script. So first of all, I'm creating the table here. The table is watermark table, which holds the LPV last process value from the current pipeline. And I'm creating the stored procedure that will automatically update the last process value. Okay. And this is the script you have it. I'm creating the course table, then inserting the rows into the course table and creating the watermark table and updating it. That's it, guys. So this is the thing we have it. So this is the basic script. I'm just using it. So just put the control here, and now I'm just pasting it here. So guys, I'm using the course table and simultaneously inserting the rows in this. So just see here, it's successfully created. And finally, I wanted to see the rows here. Select star from course. Run this, guys, everyone. And now the next one. Your watermark table is there. I'm creating create watermark table. Then inserting the rows. So you wanna see even this. Select star from watermark and now select it here. Third, create procedure. Create a procedure, etc. USP underscore water at the rate LPV integration. Integer is the data type of it. And then I'm using at the rate table varchar 30 as begin as it is. So this is the procedure you have written which updates the watermark table. Okay, watermark table from the current pipeline run. Okay, these are the three scripts we have used it. So now guys, once you have used the three scripts, tell me now what is the next thing.
Pipeline.
uh
Need to create pipeline.
yes, we have to define the pipeline and then go ahead with the process. So for this, I'm going to the pipeline, directly create the pipeline, guys, nothing else, nothing doing here. Pipeline, so go to the pipeline, author, create the pipeline,
Not in the lookup.
and now give the pipeline. So I'm using the PL incremental loading. That's it. Select it here, everyone. Now tell me what's the first activity you have to do it, you guys. Can you tell me, guys?
Lookup.
We have to use the lookup, right? Why we have to use the lookup? Lookup. So
To
guys,
see.
lookup. Yes. So we have to use two lookups. Already you know why we have used these two lookups, because in the last class we have just used it. Am I right?
Yes.
To use the first lookup and use the second lookup, guys. Okay. So use your lookups, lookup 1 and lookup 2. So let us label both of them. Guys, let's label both of them. To look up on, what is that? To look up on course table. Okay. Course table, look up on the course table. That is nothing but your source. and to return the max, what is that? Course ID. To return the max course ID, I'm using this LKP. So I'm using LKP. You can see here LKP. What's that I want to do? Tell me now. Look up on
Max.
yes, look up on max. That is nothing but look up on the source table to return the max course ID. Look up on the course table to return the max course ID. That is max course ID is nothing but what? Whatever the current max course ID you have it. So tell me what's the max course ID you have it. So the currently we have the max course ID as what? 3. Am I right?
Yes.
Later on we can add the rows. If the rows are added automatically, so I'm writing it this way: LKP underscore get max course ID. That's it. Okay, now fine everyone. And the second lookup I'm using it. Use LKP on, tell me now. Look up on watermark table. Watermark get the LPV. Get LPV. LPV means what? LPV means what, guys?
Last value.
Processed value. Okay.
Last process.
So here I wanted to, the first lookup will return you the max course ID, and the second lookup will return you the watermark table LPV. That's it. Okay. These are the two things you have it. Okay, guys, everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
guys. So now next one after this. So click on this max course ID. Click on this settings. Click on the new.
Data set.
Click on the new data set. So I'm just creating the data set. So
SQL
the
DB.
yeah, it is it belongs to SQL DB. Selected SQL DB and provide the name here. So I'm giving the name as well ds underscore SQL DB underscore source. Am I right?
Yes.
Or I can give it SQL DB underscore get other few. I'll not use the source here. Get max uh, course. For your clarity, I'm writing it, guys. It's not required to write it everything, but just to understand. Course ID from course to return the max course ID. Get max course ID from the course table. Okay. So select the link service. Corresponding link service you have to select it as it is. And now, guys, select the data set. But don't write the data set here, because I wanted to write the customized SQL query. So select it here. Course table you can select, but I don't want to select it here. Select the query. So now write it down, guys. Write it down the okay. The moment you select the query button from the use query option, you will get this box. So here you have to write the query. So what is the query you have to write it? I'm writing it. Select
Count star.
select max of, tell me,
Count.
course underscore ID. Huh? Am I right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
As alias name you have to give it. Max CID. Max CID. I want to declare the column. So from what? Tell me. Course.
From course table.
Very good. So course table. So to view that the query is working or not, click on the preview. Just test it here. 3 or not, everyone see?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So fine. So click on this. That's it, guys. Select the watermark. And now click on the settings. Click on the new data set I want to create. So
SQL DB.
SQL Azure SQL. So can you see here? I wanted to give it the ds underscore get
Watermark.
LPV. Get LPV. That means get LPV from watermark. Get LPV from watermark. Okay. And select it here. The link service, the same source.
Oops.
And don't mention anything, any selected data set, because I want to write the customer's SQL query. So write it down from the use query option, select the query, and now write it down here. Select star
From
from
watermark.
watermark. Okay, guys. Tell me further. Where table underscore name is equal to course. That's it. Is it working? Click on
Samir,
this.
there is plus sign, Samir. Table name after.
Select it. Okay, LP, got it, guys, everyone? Huh?
Yes.
That's it. So, guys, that is the thing, you have it. So, let us process this. So, debug till here, first of all. So, anyways, you got the output here. So, open this. Tell me now, what is it you have it? First row, and here you have what's it? First, max CAD. Select it. So once the activity is completed, max course ID, you have to select it and paste it here. Save. Okay, guys, everyone, this is ready now. Fine, everyone, guys, please tell me.
Yes, Samir.
So again, use it here. Close it and copy the second output. And now select it. Just enlarge. Okay, we have selected already this one. Watermark, you have to select it. Everything is same. The last task you have done it, but still I wanted to just paste it here because some value may change or not. Okay, clear now, guys?
Yes.
So I have copied. So just to take this as a reference point in the future, I'm using this, guys. So this is the JSON format, you have it. And
Samir, we
now
are not able to see the notepad.
just a minute, I will reshare the screen as well. Okay, now
Yes, Samir.
that's it. How these values further can be used. Okay, so let us try to do it here. Okay, so can you see here, after loading, once the loading completed, lookup is extracted the output. Now use the copy activity. Copy, perform the copy now as it is. Copy and link up both of them. Yes, guys, Lookup is returning what's it? The max course ID and whatever you have it. And that you want to process it here. Now configure the source here. Again, do one, what is that? So guys, select the data set. But here make sure always it is recommended in the real time to create the data sets at the time of development only. We don't create it like this first data set, then we go with the pipeline as we used to do in the practice sessions. So this is the actual practice. There is a realistic session what we are going to look into here. So select the source, click on the new data set. See, with end of this process, you may end up in creating 5 to 6 tables. Anyways, I'm using the SQL because anyways there is no generic data sets. We have it. Generic means what? Repeated names or familiar names, something like that. Okay. Similar names are not there, so just select it here. Azure SQL database. So now give it here ds underscore. So what is that db? Source db underscore source db. That's it. Okay. And now select it here. Customize SQL. That's it. Click OK. So select the query and write the customize SQL query here. And now click on the add dynamic contents. So guys, here you have it. Tell me now. Here you have it now. So now I'll write it here out of the activity. So what is it? I'll use it. Okay. Select. Okay. So now I'll write it here. Select star from course where guys where course underscore id greater than course underscore id greater than what's it? 0. Fine now.
Yes.
What is it I'm using? Tell me now. Select
Match.
only those records where the course table having the course ID greater than 0. Am I right, everyone? Hello.
Yes, Samir.
So that's it. I'm using it. The same. That's it. Click OK. Fine, everyone. Yes, please answer my question.
Yes.
Now go to the sync system. Sync once again table you have to create it. Tell me now what's the next thing you have it? Yes, SQL you want it, and select the Azure SQL and now give the name here. What's the name you want to give it?
Dataset sync.
ds underscore sink sync or db. Select it here.
Sync.
So you can see nothing is there. So anyways, click OK. So now guys, what's it you have to do? All of you just have a look on this. So here you have to anyways use auto create table. You don't have anything now. So you want to create auto create table or do you have it as it is? Tell me now.
Need to create auto create table.
So anyways, leave it as it is for the time being. Okay. Okay. Because already okay, leave it as it is. We will not use this thing right now. Okay, we'll create the auto create table. Okay, let's think on this. Now, guys, after this, next activity, what we have to do here is use the stored procedure activity. Use the stored procedure activity. Select it here. So I'm just using this. SP stands for stored procedure linkup. So update That means stored procedure underscore update. What should I want to tell me now? LPV. It should be last process value should be updated. Getting my point. So what is it you have to do? So for that again, go to the settings now. So already you have created this in the source you have created, and here you have the store procedure you have already used it. So guys, that's ready now. Click on import parameters. If you have any parameters, those will come here. So we have two parameters. What are the parameters we have it? Can you tell me, guys? The first
Yes.
parameter is LPV, last processed value. Put the control. See, click on this. Add dynamic contents. So output you'll get it from what? So just a minute. So what is it you have to do? All of you. So click on this. Get max course ID. Look upon get max course ID. Output. The output dot in the output, guys, dot in the output. What is it you want? In the output, I want what is that?
Value.
This is the output now.
First row.
First row. Copy the first row. First row. In the first row, what is it I want? Tell me now.
Course ID.
Max ID.
No.
Max ID.
Max
Max
CID.
underscore ID.
Right. Right. That's it. Okay. Fine, everyone.
It's a
Click OK. Go to the control. Add dynamic contents. For the table, I'm using it. Okay. So table name, what is it you have to use? Tell me now.
LPP
Look upon
watermark.
watermark. Yes, use this one. LPV output dot. Tell me now. So output dot table name. Am I right? Output dot first row dot. Tell me now, everyone. Table name.
Table.
Table name is a LPV is also there. But max CID you have used now in the same one. That's it, guys. Finished. Okay. That's it, guys. Finished now. Just debug now. Requires copy activity. What's that? Table requires copy activity. Table requires copy activity. Now, what is it?
Go to sync.
Ah,
Sync table.
okay. Sync table is required. We've already given the sync table. Ah, after that, what's updated? Table is required for copy activity. Where we have not selected the table, guys? What is a table? You have? Select ds underscore. Acha, table is not there now. Just a minute, guys. 1 minute.
I think for sync data set, we didn't specify the table. For sync data set, we didn't specify the table.
Yes, in data sets.
Okay, so no problem. We'll just go there. Open this.
Just create on sync DB.
Okay. Yeah. We've not given the. So let's give it here. DBO. Tell me now what's what I want.
What's
Target table. Okay.
yes, sir.
That's it now. Come back. Debug now. Exceeded. Still processing because the SP has to be processed. Succeeded. Everything is succeeded. See here. So you wanna see this for the target. See the table in the target. So select the star from. Select the star from. Target table. Run this, guys, everyone. Okay. And now go to the source. Tell me now. Select the star from watermark. So watermark initially has a 0. No? It is updated here or not?
Yes, sir.
Automatic. Okay. Now I will do one thing. I will add 2 more courses here in the course table. So I'll use it. Insert. Instead of course 4, synapse. Synapse C++. See, except the first one, now it's the incremental load. Okay. Now the course table is here. 5 rows are there. But check the watermark. Do you have a watermark in update now? No. After we process this, 3 is there. Now I will rerun the process. Debug. Just a minute. Redebug. Now it's fine. No? Go to the source. Now select the watermark table. See here. Course is having how many? 4. Huh?
You have given one duplicate value, Samir. Two given. Not given 5. 2. You have given for C++.
We repeated the value too. Yeah.
Okay, now?
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
No problem. I'll run this. But it's anyway it's showing now. Huh?
Yes, Samir. Sure.
So let's select it here and run this. 4 only. I want to rerun the process.
I guess in the target we may have duplicate sequels because we didn't modify the sequel for the copy activity.
Yeah. Just to see here. The port set is 5 and the target you have it. If you have a duplicate, then what is that you have to do? You know it better rather than me telling you. Yeah, duplicates are there. Okay. Okay. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Use a distinct and filter it off that shit. Okay. Or delete it or create it, whatever you want. Okay, guys, everyone clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, submit.
So, yeah, so that's it. We have done with this. So I'm just stopping the class here.